David Icke has a conspiracy or a belief which for thousands of years the world has been controlled by a secret organization. You understand? And this secret organization is controlled by shape-shifting reptilians. And the shape-shifting reptilians have other multiple small organizations, you understand, such as Abu Illuminati, the Freemasonry, the church, like religious organization, one religious organization are controlled by this shape-shifting reptilian, you understand, the government, and even the satanism. Wonke izinto lezi ezikhona controlled by nama shape-shifting reptilian, and the nama smaller organization, they specialize in whatever it is they are, in whatever like their mandate is, you understand. If masithi umuntu mandate yakhe is the media, they focus and they specialize in the media. Leyo secret organization focuses and specializes in the media. And then akhona not ukuthi for world media, no, khona like South Africa specifically etila ngemedia South Africa, khona ese-America etila ngemedia ese-America, khona ese-China etila ngemedia ese-China, khona futhi ezitila ngalento lezi continental, they ensure ukuthi this continent bayicontrola kanjani, you understand. This secret organization controls the entire world, mara icontrola like there's the world as a continent, as a country, as a region, then iya ngama local, you understand. So obvious, what is the goal of this secret organization? Yabo? So the goal of this secret organization is world dominance, you understand? Because they've been controlling umhlaba for thousands of years. They want to ensure their dominance, you understand? So obviously, kanjani na. So these reptilian species, they feed on human energies, you understand? They feed on humans, like not just negative energies, yabo? Like they benefit kakhulu from negative energies, but even positive energies, they feed from lawo positive energies, yabo? Because this secret reptilian organization created a religion. Even this idea ukuthi kumele uthandaze or uye somewhere like maybe Chris Brown maybe a performer and like we are praising him, leyo energy leyo, they feed on that energy, understand? Maybe usesontweni, maybe uPushiro, and then baningi lapha and wonke lama energies like producer. These reptilian species, they feed on those energies, understand? And they love megasho David Icke ukuthi they love ama energies wabantwana in particular, understand? They benefit kakhulu from ama energies wabantwana, yabo? So nakhona they want to enslave the human race, yabo? They've done it, they've enslaved the human race and they want to continue this enslavement, yabo? So despite ukuthi they think sicabanga like from a conspiracy perspective, even from an academic perspective, like sibabiza ama-capitalist, abantu abacontrol umhlaba vele because they have the capital, you understand? So ungayibheki only like as a conspiracy writing, yabo? Mara from now sikhuluma from David Icke from a conspiracy perspective, yabo? So they want to enslave the human race, yabo? They want to ensure we work, you understand? Khona bazodla ama energies wethu when we suffer, they eat those energies, yabo? They like create an imali. This shape-shifting reptilians created imali to keep us like slaves, you understand? So they perform ama-certain rituals to ensure ukuthi abantu bakhona, their members are loyal and they are disciplined, yabo? And ama-rituals wakhona-ke are bad, yabo? So there are two types of rituals. There are public rituals and they are private rituals, yabo? And the colors they wear, maybe perform rituals lanka, is red and black, you understand? These are the colors they wear when performing such rituals. So ama-private rituals into abazenzayo privately, ngoba esizaziyo thina, yabo, ukuthi baba nama-orgy, yabo? So umuntu oyi-one like or a group of people nje bayahlangana bonke and they have ama-sexual relations, yabo? And baphusha i-bisexualism ukuthi if they are a female angeke uzube intimate with only ladies kuphela, yabo? Uzoba intimate even nama-guys. Also if you are a male angeke uzube intimate ngama-ladies kuphela, uzoba intimate even nangama-guys, yabo? So they have ama-bisexual orgies, yabo? And they also have like ama-sexual relations nabantwana abancane, you understand? Like they have ama-sexual relations nabantwana abancane, which is iphilo, you understand? So ama-public rituals wona is like ama-public unaliving of abantu, mass unaliving of abantu, yabo? Firstly like khona njengase-eGaza bafethu or e-Yemen, wonke lama-countries lanka, like labantu if they wanted to they could have done that privately, like bebanga-dropha maybe i-gas, yabo? Or bebangathela something emanzini abantu abawaphuzayo, understand? They could have blocked like ama-signal ukuthi abantu abahlala eGaza bangakwazi ukuphosta, or they could have like if bebafuna laba they could have done it, but for the fact ukuthi sonke we are watching ukuthi kwenzakalani laphaya is because we are supposed to ukuthi siyibheke, right? It's part of the ritual, you understand? So and enye into is humiliation, another public like a public ritual is public humiliation where umuntu has to be embarrassed eduze kwethu sonke sobona, understand? Nokuthi wathi ngishilo ukuthi they don't only feed on negative energies and even nama positive energies. So even if masithi like a mega pastor uzohosta i-church, lawo ma-energies lawo like leyo ritual ukuthi abantu bazi bazoproduce lama energies, that is another form of a ritual. Or maybe uChris Brown or uCasper Nyovest uzoperforma and siyaya laphaya sokugcwala, that's another form of a ritual, you understand? So despite ukuthi there are two types of ritual, which is public and private, there are also hierarchies, yabo. Khona i-public hierarchy, khona ne-private hierarchy. So i-public hierarchy ile sonke siyaziyo yabo ukuthi cala i-president, then kuba ama-minister, then ama-mayor, then obviously nakhona kuma-music industry like ama-producer, Yiwanswembu, then kuba ama-artist, then kuba ama-manager, waya kanjalo kanjalo. That's a public like hierarchy. But in the private hierarchy ukuthi maybe a music producer, umuntu who in the public hierarchy is lower than the president, but in this organization, in this cult, in this secret society, abantu who like are lower in the public sector can be high in the private sector, yabo. Maybe uCasper Nyovest, and again I'm not speaking about uCasper Nyovest specifically, yabo. It's just an example. Maybe uCasper Nyovest njoba manje like he's beneath uRamaphosa, yabo, but secretly kulama organization akhona he's above uRamaphosa, yabo. He can tell him what to do, yabo. So what do you think about this conspiracy or this belief yaka David Icke? Do you believe ukuthi is it true ukuthi there's a secret organization econtrola umhlaba, or is a conspiracy, understand?